Good to hear here. What's up? So, dito ako sa Brickyard, Makati. Magka-Tamiya ako. Actually, ginawa ko to nung I played Tamiya, high school, college days. Nawala siya. Ngayon, I'm very happy, very excited. So, I bought my second car kasi yung first car ko na yung ako sa bahay. So, try ko sa yung Avante Mark III. So guys, ito naman yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Ito ba yun? Sorry, bumili din ako accessories. Ayan. Ito yung rollers niya, harapan. So, guys, ito yung pakita ko yung tax sa inyo, guys. So, yung track. Alright, so yan guys ha. Libre siya. Basta kayo. You can buy, you can bring your kits here. Tapos pag laking tools, may rent yan. Pwede mo hiramin yung tools nila. Alright, so gawin ko, medyo, pag-build ito, medyo may katagalan, but don't worry, kapag isa yung final look niya. So, of course, kasama yung gulong, ito yung body niya, yan, accessories, ay yung gears, motor, yan. Ito yung chassis. Alright. So, give me time lang guys. Pag ready na siya, pakita sa inyo yung test drive natin. Alright? See you guys. Okay guys, so matatapos na siya. So ito na yung chassis. So yung gulong. Ito yung body na. So almost done na ako. Few rounds stickers plus itatrialan ko siya ilang minutes kaya nakabilis without the friction. Then compare ko yung results niya with the rollers. Alright? See you later. So ayan, welcome back. So ayan, okay na siya. Ito yung, again, ito na yung Avante Mark III Azure. Alright, so stock motor lang siya. Kasi test drive ko lang siya. So kabit na. So later on, and test drive ko na. Yan. Alright, so we'll try this out sa track. Timer ko siya later on. So, yan, tapos ilagay mamaya ng yung rollers niya, friction rollers. Alright, let's see anong mas effective. Alright, go! Yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh! Come on, baby. Okay naman yung mas maganda results niya compared sa walang friction rollers. Right? So, dagdagan ko lang to. Right? And then, this Saturday, meron kami event sa office namin, Tamiya. Watch out for my vlog for that. Well, medyo maingay. But again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See ya!